Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the complete process of recording your screen using OBS Studio. Let's dive right into it. Step 1. Open OBS Studio. The first thing you need to do is open up OBS Studio. Assuming you have it downloaded and installed, let's proceed to configure it for screen recording. Start by selecting a new blank scene. Step 2. Settings configuration. Navigate to the bottom right and click on Settings. Under the Output tab, switch the output mode to Simple. This mode is perfect for basic screen recording. Next, head to the recording section and choose a recording path where your files will be saved. I prefer high quality, medium file size settings. Step 3. Audio setup. Audio configuration is crucial. Ensure your desktop audio is set to default output, and select the appropriate microphone for your recordings. Hit apply once you're done. Step 4. Video settings. In the Video tab, set your base canvas resolution. For most users, 1080p will suffice. Adjust the FPS, frames per second, according to your computer's capability. Higher FPS provides smoother video but requires more processing power. Step 5. Hotkeys and advanced settings. Utilize hotkeys for convenience. I set my start and stop recording hotkey to adjust. Feel free to explore advanced settings if necessary. Once you're done, click on Apply to save changes. Step 6. Adding sources. Now, let's add a source. Click on the plus icon in the bottom left and select Display Capture to record your entire screen. Choose your preferred display and click OK. Step 7. Adjusting audio levels. Before recording, ensure your audio levels are balanced. You may want to lower desktop audio to prevent it from overpowering your voice. Step 8. Start recording. Once everything is set up, click on Start Recording to begin capturing your screen. Your recording will be saved to the designated file path. Step 9. Adding additional sources, optional. If you want to include a webcam feed, simply click on the plus icon again and choose Video Capture Device. Select your webcam, adjust the settings if needed, and click OK. Step 10. Stop recording. When you're done recording, click on Stop Recording. OBS will indicate where your recording has been saved. And that's it, folks. You've successfully learned how to record your screen using OBS Studio. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, peace out.